Hi, Bill Dube here, and I'm here to introduce my YouTube Camp Coffee series. I had been talking with my friend Frazier Douglass of Modern Tent Camping about some ideas for future YouTube videos for my site, and we came up with this. So I'm going to cover in 7 videos just some of my thoughts on how to do camp cooking. I'm going to keep them brief. And here's the intro video. That's video number 1, as you can see. It's going to be a short video. And each one of these videos is going to be how-to video. It's going to both cover what type of coffee we're going to be doing in that video. Also, I have a request for input from anybody out in my viewing audience, subscribers, non-subscribers, whoever happens to click on this by accident or on purpose. Lastly, making it clear that I am not an expert. I do have a lot of experience. I'm in my 60s and I've been drinking coffee since I was 16. So you do the math. Anyways, my first video is going to be a really short one. It's going to be about instant coffee and the different types, benefits, and ideas, and where to get hot water. The second video is going to be cowboy coffee. This is basically a pot stove. I'm going to cover about different pots, stove, water, and my experience with cowboy coffee in the past. Up in canoe camp up in Canada, we used to drink cowboy coffee all the time. Now, after that, the natural progression will be to percolator coffee. I have 2 pots myself. One is a 6-cup pot, and the other one I think is either a 12 or 14 cup. I can't remember. They're both stainless steel, which is what I prefer. Now, after that, we're going to cover pour-over coffee. That is going to be the pour-over coffee dripper types. If you want, I might also do Vietnamese pour-over drip coffee, which really barely fits into this category. It's kind of a cross between a press and a pour-over. But they are very interesting to use, and different types of filters we could use and experiences for pour-over coffee. Now, French press, I've never had a whole lot of luck with French press. It's probably because I'm impatient with my coffee and I like it right now and I like it hot. So I just recently purchased a coffee press, which I should be getting in the near future, specifically made for camping, because I found that the ones that are for home use I didn't like. So cover pot press, you can see there's a trend here. And then we're going to have a hot wrap up, welcoming ideas for future videos. So that's going to be it. Also, on each one of the videos I'm going to include links to other YouTuber videos that I've found very helpful in researching this, and another site which I have found useful is archive.org, which I've looked up the history of coffee, which actually originated in Africa. Just a little tidbit for you to know. I'm Bill Dube, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my site. Thank you. Bye-bye.